Guys, this was so cool. Something you'd see out of a movie. When I pulled up here at this little stop, the bees were everywhere. The truck in front of me was just covered, and they all drifted back to me. The workers that were working on the side of the road, they were headed to the woods. Pretty cool sight. Something I've never seen before.